Racing just is started. We have Red River Girl first to show quickness at the start. Quick Storm down on the inside. Simple Beauty, De Vega, La Cienega, while Lord Gold is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Red River Girl by about 3 lengths. Quick Storm in second. De Vega moving up now to take third. Simple Beauty is down on the inside fourth. Then next on line is La Cienega, while Lord Gold is still racing in last. The West is Phil, Jackie John Alvin Guse on top of horse La Cienega, left unseated. We have Red River Girl by our length and a half. Quick Storm in second. De Vega is down in third. Then comes Simple Beauty and a long way back to Lord Gold, who's still racing in last. Set out of our turn, we have Red River Girl by our length and a half. Quick Storm in second. Down on the inside third is Simple Beauty. De Vega comes next while Lord Gold is still racing in last. And Diana entering the home stretch. Red River Girl, Quick Storm is on the outside. Find some opening. Down on the inside is Simple Beauty. With about 100 meters of the race, we have Simple Beauty now takes command. Red River Girl and nearing the finish line, Jackie Kelvin Betty Abobo on Simple Beauty. Red River Girl, then comes Quick Storm, De Vega, and Lord Gold.